Welcome to my channel, Ana Lana. Today, I want to show you the solution I found to one frustrating mistake when I am knitting, which is when the sweater turns out to be a little bit tight. I don't know if that's happening to you, but let me know in the comments. Well, I was knitting this sweater, and when I tried on before making the sleeves, I almost cried. So the sweater was a little bit tight. I thought about unraveling it, but after doing all these cables, I didn't want to do it. And then I thought about continuing it, but it's like again, when you make a mistake, the sweater ends up in the closet. Well, after thinking for a while, I found a solution that can be applied to any kind of sweater, even if you are doing it in crochet or with two needles. Basically, you are going to be fixing each side and you are going to make it with more room, just adding a few rows. This was my brilliant solution. I added about 4 centimeters on each side and it was very easy to make. I spent no more than 5 minutes in each side and it looks just part of the design. So stay tuned because very soon I'm going to share with you the tutorial of this beautiful sweater. Okay, so we are going to be adding a row in crochet and the size of the hook is going to be a similar number in millimeters of the needles that you are using. So in this case, I'm using 6.5 millimeters. So now I'm going to attach the yarn and chain one, and then on the very first space, I'm going to make a single crochet. Then I'm going to continue making single crochets in each space until I get to space number 6. And in here, I'm going to be making 2 single crochets into the same space. So we are going to continue like that until we get to the other side at the end of the sweater. Always making a single crochet, but every 5 spaces, every 5 stitches, we will be adding one, increasing one. That way, the sweater is going to look in this same length, because otherwise the crochet may be shrinking it, may be pulling it. Okay, and once in a while, just make sure that the sweater looks flat because here is where we see if the stitches are enough. Otherwise, we have to increase one more, just to make sure that it's not going to be, again, like pulling it, like shrinking it. Okay, so I got to the end of the row and I already did my last single crochet. So chain one and turn the work. So now I'm going to start and yarn over, and in the very first space I'm going to make a double crochet. Now I'm going to skip one space, so in the next space I'm going to do a single crochet, yarn over, and in the space before I'm going just to be pulling the yarn once and again yarn over and pulling the yarn twice. And now we close it like a double crochet. All right, so let's repeat. So this, I'm going to skip it and then I will make a single crochet. And now in the space before, I'm going to yarn over and then pull the yarn over and pull the yarn, and now we close all those loops. All right, so again, we skip the space, single crochet, yarn over, and in the space before, we are going to pull the yarn twice and then we close the loops. So we are going to be forming like little puffs, and it's going to be all the way until the end. So here I am and my last space, and here I'm going just to make a half double crochet and then chain one, pull the yarn and I'll be cutting it. And I will be using a tapestry needle to join the parts. Then you can try it again and see if now has enough room. And then after that, you will be doing the sleeves, but that will be part of the next video where I'm going to show you the whole sweater. So, but now, in the meantime, I just want to show you the final product. And look, it's very nice with these side rows, and it gives me plenty room. But the very good thing is just looks part of the design because it looks like a cable in here. So it's very easy to make. I tell you that I did this in matter of 5 minutes on each side, and I was done. So now you have an idea in case you run into the same problem for any kind of sweater that you are making. Just to show you, before it measured 49 centimeters, which was 19 inches, a little bit more. And after I end up with 53 centimeters, which is about 21 inches. And you see, it looks great. So, okay, my dear friends, this is the end of this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. Give me a like, subscribe, and I hope to see you next time in my channel, Ana Lana. Thank you.